Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a video repeat on iPhone. First of all, open a browser and type here loop video online and open the second website online video cutter. Once you here, tap on open file, photo library, and select here the video which you want to make repeat and tap on choose at the bottom right. And it may take some time to upload the video here. Once it's uploaded, you can trim your video from here. Tap on this option and from here you must have to select loop video. Now tap on save, tap on save, tap on download, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.